A very warm welcome to So Too High to each one of you who is watching this video now. I am Aditi Agarwal, founder at So Too High, and today I have with me a good friend of mine, Ravinder Kaur Chawla, who is the founder of My Little Sunshine, which is the only storyteller place in Dhanbad. Also, she completed her master's in botany, got married after completing her studies, and got very busy with her family and taking care of the home. But very soon she realized that she has to do something for her town, for the kids around. She has also got the training of
That
Abacus
is
recently, and she'll soon be starting.
during this lockdown. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and she'll soon be starting with it. So a very warm welcome, Ruhi at So Too High.
Hello, Aditi. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, good.
Ruhi, tell us something about your beginning phase when you
Yes.
started with storytelling, and it was totally a new concept in Dhanbad. So,
Yeah.
how were you able to convince the mothers and tell them what storytelling is, and bringing so many books to Dhanbad, and then
Yeah.
guiding kids to take it as a hobby?
Acha. Okay. So first of all, I am a mother of two. My elder one just turned 7 2 days ago.
Oh, wow.
So I was pregnant with my younger one, who is like turning 4 that time. Because you are free and you get some time on the social media. So I was into these parenting groups on Facebook, and that is when I came across this term called storytelling, because I was already an avid reader as a child, and we didn't have so much as of like children literature, but I have read a lot of novels as an adult. So
Hmm.
that was I mean, I had a huge collection of novels and motivational books like that. So I brought them all from my place when but I could not end up reading it. So that time I started reading a lot. And again, I came across these wonderful, super interesting books. There are these sound books, picture books, puppet books, so much on the internet nowadays. So they started interesting me so much that I wanted to take it up as a profession, because
Hmm.
this is a new concept in the eastern area. There are very few storytellers, and we need a lot more storytellers in this area, so that we could introduce our children to the world of books, because books takes you places. You can actually read and imagine that you are going places. Like I really want children to understand the value of reading and how much reading can affect your vocabulary, and enrich it, and you can actually end up studying like the students all over the world are. We can
Yeah.
make a platform like that. Storytelling brings you a mode of expression. Children
Hmm.
nowadays make up their own stories. Kids are smarter than us, like all of us know. They read a story, they can totally express it, and nowadays we use puppets. That is the
Okay.
major area of storytelling nowadays. We use a lot of hand puppets and finger puppets, and we try to make a little stage and tell the story that way. So the children are interested. They want to do the same. They look at you, and after I realized that only reading to them doesn't work. Sometimes you need to
Hmm.
involve the children. So I
Yeah.
give them particular roles in the story. So you be the, like any take up any book, like the ugly duckling maybe. So
Hmm.
one of the child is pretending to be that. So we do role plays and stuff like that. I take Sunday classes. Sunday morning are my story hours. So there are a lot of
Oh.
little kids that come over. I have gone to a lot of play schools in Dhanbad, where I have taken sessions in some charitable trusts for the poor children who don't know English so well, but they really want to listen to stories in English. And so I was invited by a few very sweet people who called me to these trusts, and I love to do sessions for them. I take special sessions on events like Easter, Christmas, Halloween. These, world festivals are not much
Yeah.
celebrated in India. So when you know the story and why are we celebrating it, so I really have fun and I love to be with the little kids. That's
Wow.
about it.
So, it is also interesting for the kids to go through all these things. Like in our times, it was not there. And now the books are good,
Exactly.
and we have professional storytellers like you. So it's a wonderful experience for the
Yeah,
kids.
totally.
I was
Yeah.
asking, when you started with storytelling sessions, what was the main challenge you faced?
Actually, because I wanted to work from home, I have not set up an institute as such right now because my kids are really little and they need my attention.
Yeah.
So working from home is a little difficult. You need to reach out to people. I had,
Mhm.
circulated flyers and got to the newspaper and stuff like that. So there's a very sweet friend of mine. Right now I'm in Ranchi, and here once when I came, I met a very wonderful lady who suggested me to go to the TV and to the radio about it. So during
Okay.
this lockdown, I actually thought about it a lot, and I started MLS Radio. So MLS radio is something, I send audio stories to children, which they
Oh.
can listen to during bedtime. I send it every 9 p.m. to the children who have subscribed for the MLS radio subscription. So that really worked for me because right now we are taking Zoom sessions. And
Yeah.
this audio stories doesn't give screen time to the children. They only hear
Mhm.
other stories. You can actually connect it to a Bluetooth speaker and you can make the child listen to the story and then go to bed. So
Okay.
this thing really appealed to me, and I've done it a lot. And again, nowadays my students have started coming on Sundays. So, but still the MLS is continuing. I do send a story every night, and even
Mhm.
my kids love to listen to those stories. So
Wow.
it's fun, the best and the major achievement is my children have become readers, which I
Wow.
really didn't achieve before I started this. Yeah.
So, how many books do you have in your collection now?
Don't ask me that. I'm more than 2,500 after the stopped counting.
Oh,
There are
wow.
these children literature, mostly imported from the US and the UK. I mean, all the sorts of most love books all around India, all around the world. There are Julia Donaldson series, then there is this wonderful Gajapati Kulapati series by Ashok sir, Ashok Rajagopalan. They are the most loved books in India. So children actually can relate to such books because they have characters which they can, see during everyday lives. uh, Taking for particular, the Gajapati Kulapati series has this banana seller and this flower seller. They see these people and they can actually imagine these characters in their minds. And his illustrations are also wonderful. I connected to him via Facebook after I became a storyteller. I've taken permission from him and done his sessions also.
I didn't knew about all these things that you are doing this radio sessions also. Lovely, Ruhi.
Thank you
And
so much. Now we can reach so many other people who can know about this. Yeah, right.
yeah, yeah. So, what are your future plans? Like you're doing storytelling and abacus.
Yeah. So, look, I have divided my children into two groups. One group, I narrate the story to them, and I ask a little few questions, short questions from the story, just like we have these reading comprehensions.
Yeah.
So just like that. And there's another group whom I am, uh, giving them a finese in reading, like
Okay.
going it through phonics, and so that they can read themselves, so they can become independent readers. And I'm also taking sessions where I make storytellers. Like right now, I'm working on my son for starters. I'm trying to make a storyteller out of Rabdit, who's my elder
Okay.
one, and he's trying his best. Let's see if it works out. We can uh, actually spread this through children. I mean, I don't want like uh, I want the children to teach children. That's how it
Yeah.
works. If I can train 4 or 5 children, they can form groups, and we can have reading clubs and
Mhm.
lot of future plannings. Let's see how it works.
Yeah. So you are involving your
And I
kids
do want to
also.
start this abacus classes also very soon. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. You're involving your kids also, and you want other kids also to get involved and learn it from scratch,
So
not
mostly the
only
kids who come to
listening.
me are my children's friends. Yeah.
Yeah.
There are a few parents who are actually interested and who know how important it is to read. So you can reach out to those parents if they also they want to come and volunteer, and we can actually do something about this. This is a really upcoming area. Even like these motivational speakers that are
Mhm.
all over the place. They are actually storytellers. They are telling you a story. So
Yeah,
it
yeah.
doesn't need to be always reading out from a book. You can tell your own story. Even that is storytelling. If
Hmm.
right now what you and me are doing is also storytelling.
Yeah. Ruhi, it was great talking to you and knowing your journey. And we are looking for more
Thank
sessions
you.
from
Same here,
you.
Aditi.
And keep
You're doing
soaring.
a wonderful job. Really
Thank you.
commendable.
Thank you so much. And thanks for being at So Too High today.
Yeah. Thanks to you too.
Yeah.
You keep soaring too.
Yeah, thank